What's the most frustrating thing about investing? It's not the market volatility or the fear of losing money. It's the waiting. That agonizing period when you've made a trade and you're just sitting there, refreshing your account, hoping, praying that your funds will settle. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most frequently asked questions about Wealthsimple: how long does it take for your funds to settle? We'll explore the factors that influence settlement time, provide real-world examples, and offer tips to expedite the process. Understanding settlement. Before we get into the specifics, let's clarify what settlement means in the investing world. Essentially, settlement is the process by which a trade is finalized and the ownership of an asset is transferred from one party to another. It's like the moment when you finally get the keys to your new house after signing the paperwork. Factors affecting settlement time. Several factors can influence how long it takes for your Wealthsimple trade to settle. Let's break them down. Trade type. Stock and ETF trades. These typically settle within 2 to 3 business days. Option trades. Due to their more complex nature, option trades can take 3 to 5 business days to settle. Mutual fund trades. Settlement times for mutual funds can vary depending on the fund's prospectus. Some funds may have a T+1 settlement period, meaning they settle 1 business day after the trade date. Others might have a T+2 or even T+3 settlement period. Funding method. Bank transfers. If you're funding your Wealthsimple account via a bank transfer, it may take a few business days for the funds to reach your account before you can make trades. Electronic funds transfer, EFTs are generally faster than bank transfers and can often be completed within a few hours. Market conditions. Market volatility. During periods of high market volatility, settlement times may be slightly delayed due to increased processing volume. System outages. If there are technical issues with Wealthsimple systems or the broader financial markets, settlement times could be impacted. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what to expect, let's look at some real-world examples. Scenario 1. You buy a popular ETF on a Monday morning using a bank transfer to fund your account. The ETF trade will likely settle on Thursday, assuming there are no delays. Scenario 2. You sell a covered call option on a Tuesday. The option trade will probably settle on Friday or the following Monday. Scenario 3. You purchase a mutual fund with a T+3 settlement period on a Wednesday. The trade will settle on the following Monday. Tips to expedite settlement. While you can't always control the factors that affect settlement time, there are a few things you can do to expedite the process. Fund your account in advance. If you know you want to make a trade, ensure your account has sufficient funds before placing the order. Use electronic funds transfer, EFTs are generally faster than bank transfers. Check your account status. Regularly monitor your Wealthsimple account to see if your trade has settled. Contact Wealthsimple support. If you have any concerns or questions about settlement times, don't hesitate to reach out to Wealthsimple's customer support team. Conclusion. So, how long does Wealthsimple take to settle? As we've seen, the answer depends on several factors, including the type of trade, funding method, and market conditions. While you can't always control these factors, understanding them can help you manage your expectations and plan your trades accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.